guys, welcome back to my bathroom. As you can see, my hair is already sectioned out, so we're gonna do, I think it's called a skunk stripe. But yeah, I sectioned it out already. I look fucking crazy, look at me. Oh my god. My boyfriend was really like, oh, go take him on a walk right now. Like this? You're fucking crazy if you think I'm going out like this. It's already sectioned out. I'm gonna do this little side piece over here and then this little piece of my bangs. Hopefully it turns out looking the way I want it to look, but if it doesn't, who gives a fuck? It's still gonna look cool anyways, probably, hopefully. Okay, so what I'm gonna use today is some leftover bleach. I think this is the Ion brand. I have this brush, and then I have an even smaller one, just so I can be more precise. And then, bowl. And I don't really like using tinfoil, so I just use saran wrap. And then I have 20 volume and 30. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. Maybe I'll use, I don't know, I think 20 is good. 20 is fine. And then I have gloves. So the way I sectioned this out, it's really easy. It's just like a line here, line here. And you do want to do this with gloves because that shit will sting as fuck, so. And for me, I'm just gonna eyeball it because I know what texture it's supposed to be. So I'm just gonna do like that much bleach, just a little bit. And then, yeah, I think I'm gonna do 20 because if I do 30, I feel like my hair is gonna fry. So basically what you're looking for is going to be like a toothpaste texture. Like you don't want it to be too thin. For me, it comes out kind of uneven when I do it too thin. But yeah, this is kind of what the consistency you want. But yeah, it's all based off of preference, I guess. But personally, this is how I like it. So I'm going to start with the bottom, like the ends, and then I'm gonna work my way up. Yeah, you want it on there really thick so that it's evenly saturated. Girl, I'm hungry. I need food. It always gets complicated when it comes to the roots. Like, I don't know. Girl, I don't know. Like, I don't want to fuck my shit up. But I just be doing it anyways. It's always the worst when you're like, your expectations are too high. Like when you're doing an at-home job, like don't keep your expectations high because most of the time you'll be disappointed. I've learned that the hard way. Oh yeah, let me do this piece too. So we're getting closer to the roots. The roots. Yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything today other than this. I don't know actually, but we want to go to the golf store just because there's one opening up, or there's one that opened up in Walnut Creek, like a pop-up shop. And I don't live in Walnut Creek, but it's like an hour away from San Jose, so like we could go. We'll just leave it for a second and see how it turns out. Oh yeah, and I got a new tattoo. It's a peony. It's cute. I know it looks kind of awkward right now just because there's nothing around it really, but I'm gonna get some stuff later on. I'm thinking of getting a fan like right here underneath the Betty Boop. That would be so cute. And then maybe like another traditional flower, maybe a rose or something, and a couple other around it. And then I'm thinking of doing like a Russian nesting doll right here. I think that'd be so cute. Oh no, I'm scared. I'm scared. But yeah. Oh shit. I got that on my face. Oh my god, imagine it bleaches my eyebrow. That'd be kind of lit actually. I don't know. I would be down. We all know I'm not afraid of dyeing my eyebrows. I've been thinking about this for a while now. Dude, I just have so many ideas in my head and then I just execute them, sometimes very poorly. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna saran wrap this. You know, I'm not very confident right now. Weird vibes. This is giving weird vibes. I'm scared. Hopefully this is a look. I hope it's a look. This is where we're at. Okay, I'm just gonna cover it with saran wrap. We'll see if it comes out fucked up then.
Estoy loco. Estoy.
I was gonna say that I've learned my lesson, but clearly after fucking my hair up so many times, I'll never learn the lesson. I'll see you guys in a minute once this is processed. I think I'm gonna process it for like 15 minutes. And then we'll see if anything happened. Okay, we're doing a check after a couple minutes. It's already starting to lighten a little bit. It's like a light brown probably. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reapply just so it doesn't dry out and just to make sure that I got everything even, hopefully. But it's looking okay so far. It's just like the darker pieces I can see through the saran wrap are kind of worrying me a little bit. I don't know if you can tell, like this right here. So it's only been a couple minutes literally, so as long as you catch your mistakes early. Put it on there thick like this, like as thick as possible so that it doesn't dry out fast. That bitch is on there. Look at that. That's what you want. I'm gonna do my bangs again because this one's also looking a little bit weird. Like, I don't know if it's just because I can't see, but I feel like these side strands are like looking darker than the middle ones. And also, what the fuck? So the reason for the saran wrap is to incubate it so that it stays warm, because heat will make it like process faster. And also obviously so you don't get it all over yourself or like the other strands. Like you don't want it to get obviously anywhere where you don't want it to be bleached. There she is. Okay, I'm gonna leave this. Should I do like 20? 20 minutes. And we'll be back after 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so I left it on for a couple more minutes. It does look lighter. I am gonna mix some more bleach because it's dried out now. Okay, so I'm just gonna like comb through it a little bit just to see if I can. Oh yeah, it looks pretty good actually. I don't know if you can tell, but obviously it's not like bright blonde. Now I'm gonna do the roots. Okay, I think this process is gonna be the last one, hopefully. And we'll do it for 20 minutes. And I'll just check on it because I want the roots to be the same. And if it doesn't turn out right, we can't all get what we want, and that's fine. Okay, I'll be back in 20. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. I just took the tinfoil out and the roots look okay. So I think I'm just gonna rinse it out now. We'll see. All right, I'll be back. Hey guys, it's the next day. Obviously my hair is not blonde. It didn't work the way I wanted it to. It just kept turning out patchy and like the end wasn't lightening how I wanted it to. Also, I guess my timing was kind of off with the roots, so they're like a little bit lighter. You can't really tell, but yeah, I just decided to cover it with some color. I was like, oh, I really want to do like a ginger orange or whatever, but I didn't have an orange or a ginger color, so I just made a little concoction. If you want to know how I got to this color, I used, what did I use? Oh, I used the Arrow yellow and the dark red. I mixed those two together, and then I don't know, it was too bright orange. So after that, I just took the color, how did I already forget? I just looked it up right now. Okay, so I used the color Ritual and I mixed that with yellow. I was trying really hard to get like a dark orange or like gingery, but it turned out mostly red, I guess, but it's cool. I'm chilling. But yeah, thank you for watching. Again, if you have any suggestions or anything of what you want to watch or what you want me to do, just let me know in the comments and I'll try. But yeah, bye.